Hello kids, let's learn about the letter D. Are you ready? Let's go. D.
D.
D for dog.
D for dog.
D for doll.
D for doll.
D for duck.
D for duck.
D for door.
D for door.
D for drum.
D for drum.
D for desk.
D for desk.
D for dress.
D for dress.
D for deer.
D for deer.
D for donkey.
D for donkey.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
D for dice.
D for dice.
D for dustbin.
D for dustbin.
Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.